Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today, in this part 23 of chapter Light, subject Physics, class 8, we are going to learn about types of deviations. Types of deviations. So, first of all, ray moving from rarer to denser medium, and second is ray moving from denser to rarer medium. So, in first point, ray moving from rarer to denser medium, when a ray of light travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium, example air to glass, it bends towards the normal. In another situation, ray moving from denser to rarer medium, in that when a ray of light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, example glass to air, it bends away from the normal. Next topic is laws of refraction. Laws of refraction. First law, the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal lie in the same plane, and the incident ray and the refracted ray are on the opposite sides of the normal. Second law. The second law is based on Snell's observation. The following activity is performed by Snell, and the activity is in activity. First, I'll draw the figure. Like this. As this is refraction, the ray will get bent. From this line, the ray will get bent. Like this. This is angle of incidence. This is angle of refraction. This is midpoint O. We'll name this as N. This A. This is the ray. This is water is filled over here. Water. So, a ray of light is allowed to move from air into the denser medium like water. For the angle of incidence I, the angle of refraction R is measured. The calculation of them is like sine I1 upon sine R1, and the value x. Note here, this is sine from the mathematical abbreviation which is generally represented as sine. Like this, the details of which will be discussed in higher classes. Next, for the same pair of media, angle of incidence is changed to I2, for which angle of refraction is measured R2, for which angle of refraction is measured. So, angle of refraction will be sine I2 upon sine R2, value x. Next, for the same pair of media, angle of incidence is changed to I3, for which angle of refraction I3, for which angle of incidence I3 and angle of refraction R3 is measured like this. Sine I3 upon sine R3, like this. Next is first the value is x. After that we'll see the observation of whole. So it is observed that all the three ratios are same, that is sine I1 upon sine R1 is equal to sine I2 upon sine R2 is equal to sine I3 upon sine R3 is equal to constant. So value of this whole in equal to form is constant. Conclusion over here is that the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence in a rarer medium to the sine of angle of refraction in denser medium is a constant for a given pair of media, that is sine I upon sine R is constant. This constant is called the refractive index of the medium with respect to air and is denoted by the sign this, like this. The second law is also known as Snell's law, as it was formulated by Dr. Wilbrod Snell in 1620. This sign does not have units and dimensions, as it is a trigonometric quantity which is also dimensionless. Significance of refractive index. Refractive index. First, light moves with relatively slower speed in the medium with greater is refractive index. Second, more is the refractive index of the medium, more is the deviation of the light ray in that medium. I hope you have understood till this part 23. In part 24 we will learn determination of refractive index. Then we will learn a detailed account of angle of incidence, angle of refraction, sine I, sine R and sine I upon sine R. Then we will learn refractive indices of some substances. Also, we will start a new topic. Before that, we'll see refraction and victory of Arjuna, and then we'll start new topic. I hope you've understood this. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We've covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you've understood this. Thank you for watching.